mask. I have protective eye goggles. I wear a gown. I put a net on my head as well, on my hair. So it's scary times, and we're doing the best we can with what we have. And the unfortunate part is that we're finding out more and more about this virus and the impact that it's having each day. So what we're doing today, I didn't do last week. What I'm doing next week is going to be different than what we're doing today. It is so morbid right now. I mean, we even have a trailer outside the hospital because we ran out of space in the morgue. So people are being impacted. We're going to lose lives, and we're saying we speak about social distancing. I like to really kind of call it physical distancing because I think right now socially, especially in a virtual community, we need to come together more and support each other more, be there for each other. We're going to get through this, but we're definitely about 3 to 5 weeks away from peaking, I think, across the country.
Let me ask you a question.
Situation like this, but we don't have the space for the bodies, and in any of the hospitals now we're using trailers with freezers to store the body. You're unable to be revived, so if the medics are working on you, they intubate, put a tube in your throat to help you breathe. They're giving you adrenaline medications to try to help restart the heart. If after a certain period of time
who were totally asymptomatic, why is information important from a modeling perspective?
From a modeling perspective, it's important because one of the things we don't know is how many people are actually getting this virus. You know, the fatality rate is basically like how many people get it and how many people die. And we have, I'm not going to say that we have a good idea of how many people die, but we have a better idea of how many people die than we have of how many people get it because, as you said, we have good reason to think there are a lot of asymptomatic cases out there. So